Look at that. He's a jumbo for a PA brookie. Right there on the pink double trouble. That's a lot of brown trout as you can get here in PA. What I'm here for. Get them up out there. Look at this. Beautiful rookie on a red size 10 double trouble. That was the first fish. Today, it's Friday. We're supposed to get heavy snow this Sunday. And I went to the shop this morning and Ben's like, let's go fishing. So we split up. There's a stream out here. It's probably like a 2-hour drive from my house that I had on the map for a long time that I wanted to fish. Drove the whole way out here. I could literally pee across the creek. It was super small. I had another one marked in that area that I drove to and posted signs for 3 miles up and down the road. So I drove about a half an hour back towards home, and I'm gonna fish a stream that I believe we've videoed this stream in the past. I'm gonna give it a whirl. That was my first cast, caught a brookie. I'm already pretty happy. We'll keep moving. About that, I had a brookie come and take that Y2K, and then that got off. Okay, so there I had threw that in. This water's clear. Had a clown fart Y2K on the top, and I have a size 10 red double trouble on the bottom. At the same time, 2 trout come out. The bottom fly was brown trout. That's the one I just fought back here, and he got off. We'll go to the next one, see what happens. On the clown fart. This is what I'm after right here. Right there. That is what I'm here for. Look at that. Beautiful brown. Okay. There's that brown. Beautiful looking brown. There he goes. Back into his hole. Let's see if we can get another one. There he is. Got him. I'm going to turn the camera, swing it down here. It's a brown. How about that? How about that? Look at this guy. Ooh. Look at him. Beautiful fish. He was real subtle of a hit. No, he was. He was in that little bit faster water. I haven't been having the best of lucks in these big deep holes. I did at the beginning. There he goes. Back in there. How about that? Oh, I got off. That was a brookie. Huh. Came right out from, I don't know if you can see that. Remember that Y2K coming down by there? He shot straight out from underneath that, back in there and nailed that. Double trouble. The water's so clear, I can see them fish moving like that. And I have bad eyesight. There's a nice one. What I'm talking about. Yes. Beautiful brown. Oh. Wow. I'll move the camera up here a little bit. Okay. There's that beautiful Pennsylvania wild brown right there. Going back into the water. There he goes. Back up into his hole. There we go. It's going to be a tough one to land here. See if I can get him before he gets off. How about that? That one was on the bottom fly, which is a red double trouble. It's a beautiful brown trout. It's a wild brown right there. There he goes. Oh baby. That's a nice brookie. Real nice brookie on a double trouble. Into the tree. Wow. Wow. I'm going to move this tripod up into the water a little bit. Here's a brookie. Look at that. He's a jumbo for a PA brookie. There's one more look at him. That's a handful of a brookie. There he goes, back into his hole. That's what I'm after right there. Looks like a brown. Sometimes I get him landed. Maybe within them trees. It's hard. Oh, what a brown. Right there on the pink double trouble. That's a lot of brown trout as you can get here in PA. Okay, I moved the camera up here so whenever I put him back, he can go right back into where he come from. Here's another beautiful look at him. What a spectacular fish right there. Here he goes. I don't know if you can see him. Went straight back up in there. What a day. Okay, I'm going to end this here. I worked up here and this stream split right back here and it's getting pretty little and the water's awful clear. So it's 3:30. I probably have a 30-minute, 40-minute walk back to the truck. Best of luck on the water and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And thanks for watching our videos.